Fred Williams, Excel primed. Place rows 1 through 10 in reverse order. Using choose rows, we can implement this. And the trick is just multiplying the sequence rows by -1. What does it do? It changes this 1. This would be sequence 1 through 10. If we reverse and we multiply it times -1, what are we going to get? Copy, and we get Control V equals. All right, if you attempt to just put in this sequence rows times -1, you're going to have to massage it. That's all I'm going to say. Here we have this -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place rows into a new list in reverse order. These rows is going to do what? Going to grab this thing, and the end result is going to be, notice, we'll see the October here. The output, October. We have October 353, 312, 200, and reverse. How and why does this work? Because this should, once you put it into this format, reverses the sequence. Now keep this in mind when you're dealing with this sequence here. This is the generated -1 to 10 with this multiplication is going to be reversed. The output is as shown here. It's going to take this and choose columns, will reverse this and output this dynamic. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.